Alright, so now we've got another step to do here. We have to add in our conversion pixels. So we go to our account and we just click on conversion pixels, and then Facebook conversion pixels right here. So we click this little arrow and we just want to enter the ID of it. So go to your account, go to tools, and then go to pixels. And then in our case we're going to be using conversion tracking pixel, the old one. And it should be in here. Just gotta find it. I'm actually gonna use the police one in here. So just a quick way to find it is use Control F and then police. And there's an old one. I have to go to page 2. Just depends on how fast Facebook can load for me. Not on page 2. Try page 3. Got a lot of pixels in here. Oops. Not on page 3. Go to page 4. Hopefully it shows up here. Okay, I'm just going to pause it while I find it here. I probably have to go through a couple pages. Okay, I found it. It's on page 2. So it's checkouts police, that's what I want. So I copy the ID, and then I go to Gearbubble, and I paste it. Then I click on update. Now for the other one that we want to do is the retargeting pixel. So in this case I click on retargeting, and I want Facebook website custom audience. So I go here, it tells you where to go, create an audience, select the option, customize for website, create, copy the 15-digit number to the right of the add pixel ID and the code that Facebook presents, and paste it in the field below. Okay, so I'll show you. So if we go to tools, audiences, then we find our police one. See it here. And I've switched to the one that I've used here quite a bit, but this is the code that they're talking about. So I take this, I copy it, go back to Gearbubble, then actually it should even be in here. Yeah. 495, paste, update. So now I've added in my conversion pixel and my retargeting pixel. So I'm all set to go with that. And there's just one more thing to do here in Gearbubble, and then we're ready to launch things.